Hello, this is Teresa with another video tutorial for Dare to Be Artsy. I'm going to be working with the new Lotus Blooming Stamp set, and I'm going to be using one of the main images out of this set to create a background that I will do some coloring on. Now I'm setting this in the center at first. I'm going to stamp it down a couple of times, hence why I'm using my Misty Positioning Stamping tool, and then I will be moving the stamp around so that I can cover up the background and kind of make my own background pattern. I won't show you where I've stamped each and every single stamp because that would get a little bit repetitive. But like I said, I will cover the background, and I'm going to be coloring around the stamped images versus coloring the flowers themselves. So now that I have this ready, I'm going to use two different Copic markers. The first one is BG18, which is a dark blue-green color. I'm going to draw an outline around the edge of the flower, and then I'll use a different marker, a BG72, to start blending in from the edges where I have drawn that outline around the flower. And I'm going to use this method around each of the flowers and just fill in between with the BG72 marker until the entire background is covered. Sometimes it's a nice change of pace to just color in around the images so you don't have to do a lot of detailed coloring. So now I'm putting my finished card panel onto a piece of black cardstock so I can have a nice matted frame around it. I'm stamping my sentiment onto a piece of white cardstock that's been matted onto black for a little strip to go across the front. And sorry, that's a little bit off the screen there. And then I'm going to place that on the card front towards the bottom third. And one of the final things I'll do once I have that edge trimmed off and add it to a card base is to add some black Nuvo drops for some additional interest to the card. I appreciate you watching my video today. If you liked it, I hope you will leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. In the meantime, I am showing you a couple of links to videos that you might take a look at. Thank you, and until next time, I dare you to get artsy.